I'm just saying I now do iPhone repairs. Before you say this is an iPhone 3GS, my iPhone, my only phone. It's an iOS 7 non-Retina theme, which I got a Cydia because I jailbroke my iPhone. But it never had any signal, so now my SIM card's in my BlackBerry. Something very bad happens when you enter the wrong passcode. I'm not gonna say what it is, because the hack found the Cydia. I really want to get iClassic on it, but iOS 6.1.6 too old. And also, there's a way you can jailbreak. Where you can jailbreak the iPod Classic using Rockbox. Jailbreak any generation, even the first gen to 7th gen. All except the iPod Grenade, which is an iPod incorporated inside a grenade, so when it explodes it starts playing a Steve Jobs tribute song.